Welcome to Mytier. Turn your time into an asset, make security part of your daily life. So let's explore this platform, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll be leaving for you a link in the pinned comment and also on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself here. So to sign up, you choose a nickname, password, you confirm password, provide your email address, you choose your country from a list of countries by clicking on the drop down arrow here. You will find my referral code, don't touch. You click on one of these to select your age. If you're older or under 18, you check the next box to agree to terms of service and the last for privacy policy, and you click on sign up. So you get this pop-up saying sign up completed. Using the app, you can earn more MT and enjoy faster, more secure access. Get more with the app. Continue for now. All right, so let's just go with the app. So here is the Mytier Universe app on Google Play Store. Let's hit the install button. And while that's running, turn your time into assets. Your meteor is approaching. So you can go through all of this at your convenient time and pace to understand even better what the project is about and what you stand to enjoy. So let's launch it. So let's log in since we already have an account on the web. So here you need consent for notifications, advertising notifications, or general notifications. So let me go with the general, agree and continue. Add notification consent declined. You can change this at any time. Okay. So we logged in. Allow setting alarms and reminders. Is this compulsory? So let's click on start contributing here. Tap to boost. Alright, so this is like a tour. Tap again to extend boost by 6 hours. Officially launched Mytier Universe to replace the current Mytier app. Okay. Email verification required. Send. Verification email has been sent. Let's go to the inbox. So you find this here, and all you need to do is click on verify email. The link will expire in 24 hours. Email verified. We are about your privacy. Agree. So we're here properly, and let's start contribution. Earn participation points by contributing. Earn participation points by contributing. You will earn 15 EXP upon completing the contribution. Okay. 93.6 MT per hour. Invite and earn view wallet. So from here you can generate your referral link and code and share. View wallet. So you can actually create a wallet here and get the money code, the key to your wallet, and keep it very safe. Let me copy. Click on next. Your mnemonic phrase will only be shown once. Please write it down and keep it safe. Continue. You have to enter your mnemonic phrase here and you click on confirm. Alright, so here is my wallet, and it says I've received this 4.5k empty points. Great. This is it for the wallet. Let's go back. And status supply is 88.823 billion, bond 1.599. It says the supply is 88.823 billion, while the bond is 1.599 billion, and total 40.422 billion. Activity history. I just started, right? There's nothing much here to see. I haven't referred anyone. So it looks like all we need to be doing here is contribute by coming here after every 12 hours and entering a mining session. Alright, let's hit the menu here. Extra bonus. We'll watch ads to claim this. As I've completed watching the ads and I've received my bonuses. So from the menu here, you can find offer status, daily rewards, user guide, and of course the frequently asked questions. Start with daily rewards. For the first day, there's a spin. We're tapping on the first day, we're going with the spin. Have one spin. Collect 5% voucher. Then we are on to the treasury. Ranked 209 with 0 points. Okay, to be very honest, this looks boring, okay? Looks very boring, but if you by any means find it interesting, you can, enjoy it. So on the EXP page here, you can find EXP banners, ad. They're all about the ads. They just want you to watch ads. They're strictly on business. Referral earning. Haven't earned nothing. So you earn 13% for first level, 6 for second, 2.5 for third, and so on and so forth. So guys, there you have it. You can mine after every 12 hours. You can also boost your earnings by completing quests, referring people and shit, right? So that's it about Mytier. in a bit, right? You might want to go through it at your convenient time and pace to understand even better what the project is about. Thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.